Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I am going to show you that how to fix lag in CapCut, ensuring your video editing experience is smooth and efficient. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, let's clear the cache and unnecessary files from your CapCut app. Open CapCut. Tap on the settings icon at the top right corner and tap on Clear Cache. Click on Confirm. This helps in freeing up space and can significantly reduce lag. Next, make sure to close any unnecessary background apps running on your device. These can consume a lot of memory and processing power, causing CapCut to lag. Another effective way to fix lag is to reduce the video quality during editing. In CapCut, tap on the 1080p icon right here. This might little bit affect your final export quality but will make the editing process much smoother. Ensure that your device has enough free storage space. Go to your device settings and check the storage section. If your storage is nearly full, try deleting some files or moving them to an external storage device. Go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and search for CapCut and tap Update if an update is available. Okay, so now if you are still facing the issues, sometimes a simple restart can do wonders. Restart your device to clear any temporary issues that might be causing the lag. And that's it. These are some effective ways to fix lag in CapCut and improve your video editing experience. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content.